So image playground option not showing on your iPhone. You see, I already have. So how to fix it? To fix it, you have to go to your setting and go to general, about. Then you can see I am using the latest iOS 18.2. So you have to update your phone with the latest iOS 18.2. If you don't know how to update 18.2, I have a video, you can check this out. So once done, then go back and go to Apple Intelligent and make sure your Apple Intelligence also enable, and you are selecting the United States. Now go back and go to App Store and search on image playground. Then you can see my image playground is available here. If you don't see this option, then simply go back and go to your accounts and go to the press on your profile and verify with Face ID. Then you can see I have a United States country, so you have to select a region as a United States. So if you don't have the United States region Apple ID, then you can create a account or just change as a United States. So I already changed it. So once you change this like United States, and if you press on this image playground, then you can see the image playground is available here. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.